If you watched my video for number 26, then you heard me kind of complain about the element of luck and how it affects certain questions and how there's kind of nothing we can do about it. Certain questions in the writing section are literally just, did you hear this phrase at some point in your life and kind of have a vague memory of it, or did you not? This question, though, 27, is not about luck. This is absolutely about skill, and if you got this wrong, this is a kind of preventable mistake where you can fix that and get those points and lock them in every time. You don't want to lose points on something like this. And it's because the choices make it remarkably easy to predict the question, right? We really want to go into this sentence with an idea of what it's about. So what's different between the choices? Well, they're pretty much the same. So maybe we think, oh, it's just about which one sounds best. But no, there is a clear difference that we need to focus on because the SAT tests it lots of different ways, lots of different places. Every single test is going to test this rule. So what do you notice that has to do with other things we've seen before? Well, look at the choices. Choice A is singular, as a record keeper. So that's singular. Choice B, though, is plural, each as record keepers. C, plural, keepers. D, singular, record keeper. So we've got a choice that we can make right out of the gate here between a singular and a plural. So we need to think, okay, what else in the sentence is going to clue us in? We need a match, right? Because that's how these kinds of singular plural things work. If we have a plural choice, we better have something plural in the sentence to match it up. And look, we do. It says, however, with the rise of high-quality recording technology, reliance on court reporters, plural, as a record keeper is decreasing. Well, there you go. It's plural, but then we've switched over to singular. So that gets rid of A and D because we need another plural to match with the plural that's in the sentence. That's about consistency. That's a rule that is on the test many, many times. So now we just decide, okay, well, which one sounds better? Which one is better? Is there a reason? Reliance on court reporters, each as record keepers, is decreasing, or reliance on court reporters as record keepers is decreasing. C is shorter. I don't see any reason why we need to drag this out with that word each, right? I mean, it gets it across, so C is better. And usually once we've figured out what the rule is and we've gotten rid of any of those junk answers, generally speaking, that means, okay, there's probably just the shorter choice is better, and here's that case. The reason people get it wrong, though, is they're not thinking about short versus long. They're just ignoring the fact that there is a singular plural at all. So you got to make sure you get your brain on that track. This is a totally preventable mistake that you want to make sure that you notice and get right every time. So look in those choices. If there's a singular plural difference, odds are very good that that's what matters, and then you can catch it and lock in those points.